Hi everyone. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why it's blue? Why is the sun yellow? And why does everything turn red during sunset and sunrise? Today, we're going to talk about why the sky is blue. This is a question that people have been asking for centuries, and there's actually a pretty simple explanation for it. The reason behind all this is the wavelength of light. This whole game is of different wavelengths of different colors of light. Light is an electromagnetic wave, which is the visible spectrum. This is how light looks. Red has the highest wavelength. White and blue have the least wavelength. Now, the gas molecules in our air, nitrogen and oxygen molecules, deflect the wavelength of blue color the most. When sunlight hits the atmosphere, it is scattered in all directions by the gas molecules. The blue light is scattered more than other colors because it has a shorter wavelength. This is why we see a blue sky most of the time. The sky can appear different colors at different times of day because of the angle of the sun. At sunrise and sunset, the sun is low in the sky. This means that the sunlight has to travel through more of the atmosphere to reach our eyes. As the sunlight travels through the atmosphere, more of the blue light is scattered away. This is why the sky appears red or orange at sunrise and sunset. There are other factors that can affect the color of the sky, such as pollution and weather conditions. For example, pollution can cause the sky to appear hazy or gray. Clouds can also block out some of the sunlight, which can make the sky appear white or gray. So, that's why the sky is blue. It's a pretty simple explanation, but it's pretty amazing to think about how something so simple can create such a beautiful sight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.